Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix 403 forbidden error in Hostinger. Now first of all, head to this website, which is hpanel.hostinger.com, and make sure to log in with your account. And once done, on the left side you will see multiple options like home, website, domain, horizon, email. So scroll down and go to the option where you will see the option called the domains or the website. Just go to this option called website. Now I did not buy any of the website in your Hostinger, so that's why I'm not seeing the website option, but make sure to go to the website option. I will attach a screenshot so you can better understand what I mean. And once you go to the website page, inside the website page, just go to the error pages. Like you will see multiple pages: auto installer, add website, migrate website, copy a website. So just go to this page, which is called error pages. And once you head to the error pages, make sure to select the website. And after that, you will see multiple options, as you can see, like bad request 400, 401, authorization required, forbidden 403, which is our error in our case. So in front of the forbidden 403, you will see two options, either edit or reset. So just click on this option called reset. And once you reset it, make sure to refresh your website, and after that hopefully your issue will be fixed. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can fix this 403 forbidden error in hosting your website. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.